our next destination, I welcome you to a place of endless summers, La Union. Explore the chill surf beach vibe and discover the hidden wonders behind well-known destinations. La Union, a melting pot of various cultures and traditions, is most known for its surfing waves, mouth-watering local cuisines, dry goods such as soft broom, handloom weaving, dried fish, bamboo baskets, and art culture evident from the paintings and sculptures of its local artists. Afar from its modern and famous culture is a tradition that is often forgotten and is unknown to many. It is the tradition form of solidarity called saranay, which describes the practice of family and friends contributing an amount of money as assistance to a relative or neighbor whose family member had died or was sick and required treatment. This also proves that La Union's biggest selling points is their people because they are caring, warm, and hospitable. Here in La Union, I hope you find the one memorable experience you've always been looking for as we dive into the fun activities and local attractions of the place.